Welcome to Wholesaling Quickies, where I'm going to try to give you as much information as possible in less than 5 minutes, because you have no attention span. All right, so I'm going to give you an action plan on how you can go from $0 to $1 million this year. It's going to start off with leads. You got to have leads. Who are you going to talk to? So we're going to use Speed to Leads Coupon Club. Now this is going to run you $200 a month plus $29 per lead. You're going to purchase 50 leads a week for $29 a piece. And your job is to close 2 of those 50. If you close 2 of those 50, you're then going to end up with 8 contracts in a month. You need to close, actually dispo and make it to the closing table and receive a check on 70% of those signed contracts a month. Now, I think you can successfully do this if you have 2 people in your operation. So if you only have 1 person, cut it in half. This is your plan on how you go from 0 to 500,000 a year. There's 2 of you. 1 person is solely focused on buying the leads and closing those. The other person is going to be solely focused on the transaction coordination and the dispositions. So once you have those properties under contract, it goes to your partner, who's then going to dispo these deals. Now, how are you going to dispo them? You're going to use Investor Lift. Now, Investor Lift is now free, so you can go in and you can literally rent the buyers in the location in which you got a signed contract. Transaction coordination, you're going to outsource that. You don't know what you're doing with the transaction coordination. You don't know how to solve all of the title issues and all of that, and you don't need to learn how to do that. Just hire Easy REI Closings. They'll handle that for you. So to go back, you're going to use Speed to Lead. You need some sort of comping software. It's going to cost you about $100 a month. PropStream, Privy, doesn't matter. We use both. I'll make it easy for you. Just sign up for PropStream, okay? PropStream, Easy REI Closings is going to be your transaction coordinator. And then dispo, your partner is going to handle that on Investor Lift. Close 1 out of 25 leads that you get 8 contracts a month, close 70% of those, average $15,000 assignment fee, and at the end of the year, you just made $1 million. That is how you can go from $0 to $1 million in a year wholesaling real estate all across the country with just 2 people. Now, this was a short, condensed breakdown of this plan. If you want to learn more, because maybe you're feeling ambitious and like you have an attention span now, right over here, just click on that and you can watch these 2 videos where I break down this plan, show you all the math, and then actually give you a detailed action plan on how to execute it. We'll see you guys on the next one.